Places in your home where quartz stone should be avoided. Dear friends, quartz stone is a popular material for countertops and interior surfaces due to its durability, low maintenance, and elegant appearance. However, there are certain areas in the house where quartz may not be the best choice. Quartz is a man-made material composed of natural quartz crystals bound with resins. While it is strong, the resin component can be damaged by excessive heat or UV exposure. Therefore, outdoor areas such as balconies, terraces, or open kitchens are not suitable for quartz stone because sunlight and weather can cause discoloration and fading over time. Similarly, fireplaces or areas near stoves and grills are not ideal places for quartz, as high temperatures can cause the surface to crack or lose its shine. Quartz is also not recommended for flooring in high traffic zones or bathroom floors, since it can become slippery when wet and is more expensive compared to other practical flooring options. In summary, while quartz is excellent for indoor kitchen countertops, vanity tops, and wall cladding, it should be avoided in outdoor settings, near heat sources, and in wet or high traffic areas. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.